Well, another fine, lovely day, and welcome back to the channel of unknown. Well, it's pretty known, right? Don't have too much, but we got a 460 here, and it's kind of like they came in for some repairs. Wasn't running right, and needed the stupid Stihl cage out of the muffler, and so we got that out of the way. This is one of those rare full wrap handles on there. It's, you know, heavy, but I'm not sure if I like it. But anyways, so I'm testing it with a well, I guess that's a 20-inch bar. So yeah, nothing special, but kind of like needed a tank. Handle was busted back here, so we got the tank repaired, and then finding out it looks like things are like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get, right? Well, it's, even though there's some intermixed OEM parts, it's got a lower case because it doesn't have any serial numbers up in here, and it's completely different. So let's just set you up right here and see. Let's go ahead and cut on the torture log here and see how that goes through. So let's go ahead. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate you off there. Well, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Basically, there was no work done to it. There indication of a little bit something on the, I didn't do this, right? But the exhaust shows like somebody who started to try to do some grinding, but didn't like do anything really. So aftermarket, had good compression, shows like it had an air leak, which it did have an air leak from the boot, and but so it has some signs in the cylinder, but it's still strong, got a lot of compression, goes through. It's tacked at 12.5 right now on the high end, and it's pretty clean cutting in the cut and going through, and I can lean on it pretty well with the dogs dogged in. So I think it's an acceptable saw. Hopefully everything goes well. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you later. If I can stop the video.